One Saturday morning over brunch, Dalila and I were talking about what to do after we ate. We decided to visit the Laguna Atascosa Visitor Center, which has several trails nearby for viewing wildlife. What really drew us in were the 3 areas with shallow water ponds where animals can drink and bathe, complete with benches and a roof for shade from the hot summer sun. I've been getting their annual pass for years, and it's only $10. What you'll see here is just a small part of our 2-hour visit.